I just want to include this as a bonus lecture with X10 hosting. So they do give you the ability to have cPanel, and cPanel is one of the more commonly used web host managers. So just over here, site path, leave it empty. So I'm just going to add this website, and I'm going to see if I can go to the cPanel. So continue to my websites. So here you just need to set it up. So we've got our option here for our FTP users, our file manager. This is where we can see all the different files that are available. So we've got our index file that we uploaded. We even have the ability to kind of take a look at that and do an edit on it. So edit that HTML file. So this is that same HTML code that we were working with within our editor, all here online. So that's because we've uploaded it. We can go back out of this. So that's the file manager. We've got the ability to add additional FTP users. So the FTP users are just file transfer protocol users. So this is if you want to give somebody else access to upload content to your website. And they also have emails here, so you can create additional emails to this subdomain and so on. So a lot of pretty nice resources, especially for a free host. And you see there's no ads or anything showing up in addition. That's another really cool thing. So really, if you do want to get a simple website up and running, something to showcase or to build up your portfolio, this is probably a good option to go with in order to be able to present your content to potential clients and so on. And also, it is important to continue to practice, work with the source code, try out all the different things that you can make happen, and once you've built out your HTML structure, use CSS and see how many different ways you can present that same HTML structure in multiple formats, make it look different, practice with the CSS, even go over to something like CodePen, just load all of your CSS in there. So I'll just show you once again quickly how to do that. So I'm just taking CSS, pasting it in there, and right away we see we're getting some immediate viewable content there. And then here I'm just going to simply grab all of the body content and place it in the body, and boom, there we go. We've got our website once again happening, presented within CodePen. So really as easy as that. So just forking that over and saving that, and you're welcome to check that out online on CodePen. Try it out for yourself and just see all the different really things that you can make happen with the source code, with CSS and with HTML. And then of course, once you're comfortable with CSS and HTML, you can start working with JavaScript. And JavaScript is what provides that added functionality to your web page. So it just created a simple alert, and we see here that we've got more ability for user interaction and so on. And this is all done through JavaScript. So that's the next step, and these are the three foundations of any web page: is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And usually the best way to go is to get really familiar with HTML, then start working with CSS, start applying a little bit of styling, a little bit more, trying to make additional actions and presenting it in different formats, and then jump into some JavaScript, some simple JavaScript, and create that interaction within your web page content. Thanks again for watching, and I do encourage you to continue to practice and try out different things with HTML and CSS.